Welcome back on the TriviaOwl YouTube channel. Get ready for the ultimate sound challenge. We'll play 25 different sounds. Can you guess them all? Let's go. Sound 1. Ready? That was a bowling strike. Sound 2. Listen up. A cat meowing. Next one. These are ocean waves. Sound 4. It was fireworks. Sound 5. Music lovers will know. That was a guitar. Walking on snow. A computer keyboard. Sound 8. That was a bird. Can you recognize this sound? It's popcorn popping. Sound 10. That's a toilet flush. Next up. A train passing by. A thunderstorm. Sound 13. Lights flickering. Sound 14. Of course, that's a horse. Next sound. That's the sound of boiling water. Sound 16. A knock on the door. It's a printer. That was a Windows error. Sound 19. Lego bricks. Next up, that was a light switch. Here comes sound 21. That's a dog. Everybody knows this sound on a hot summer day. Soda can opening. Sound 23. A cheering crowd. Sound 24, cozy and warm. Fire crackling. Last one, sound 25. That's a microwave. How many did you get right? Comment your score below. Share this video and challenge your friends. Thank you for watching. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell for more quizzes. See you in the next challenge.